Why should I install Blender, you might ask? Well, because you can model, sculpt, animate, draw, edit, render videos or just images, make special effects, game assets, etc, etc. There's infinite possibilities. If you're a creative, wanna make your own things and ideas, or offer your future skills to someone else's project, Blender is a perfect playground. So go on blender.org and download it. There's a link in the description to see the system requirements. And when it's okay, install it and open it. And first you have a choice to make. You can import the preferences from your previous Blender version. I am gonna save the default ones. I let everything like this, English, I let English. Blender dark theme is okay. Keymap Blender, mouse select left, and the spacebar action will be to play the animations. You can choose what kind of new file you want, what kind of template, but it doesn't matter for now. Just choose the first one, general. And here you are. You have in front of you the mythical default cube. And you can see at the top of the window some workspaces ready for you. And you can also create your own workspaces, which use your own workflow. But you don't have any workflow for now. You need to learn how to navigate. And you will need a mouse with a middle button and a keyboard with a numpad. The goal of this future course is to be able to navigate fast with the help of shortcuts. Because if you navigate fast, you work faster. Click here to start learning in the next video. Thanks.